What if I told you that ordinary people are secretly owning parts of big companies like Dangote, Apple, and Google, and getting paid for it? Not by working there, not by stealing, but by buying something called stocks. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to buy stocks step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Don't skip this video, this could change how you see money forever. Most people work for money their entire life. But rich people make money work for them. One of the most powerful ways they do this is through the stock market. Today, I'll explain how you can buy shares in a company, where to buy them, what you need, and the mistakes beginners must avoid. Section 1. What does it mean to buy a stock? When you buy a stock, you are not gambling. You are not betting. You are buying ownership. Imagine a company is like a big building. Stocks are small pieces of that building. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of the company. That means when the company grows, your money grows. When the company makes profit, you can get paid. Section 2. Where do people buy stocks? You don't buy stocks from the company directly. You buy them from a stock market. Examples: Nigerian Exchange (NGX), New York Stock Exchange (NYSE), Nasdaq. Think of the stock market like a supermarket. Companies put their shares there, and investors come to buy and sell. Section 3. Step 1. Choose a stockbroker. You cannot walk into the stock market yourself. You need a stockbroker. A stockbroker is like an agent who buys and sells shares for you. Two types of brokers: traditional brokers, banks, investment firms; online brokers, apps and platforms. In Nigeria, examples include stockbroking firms and digital investment apps. Internationally, platforms like online brokers allow you to buy foreign stocks. Section 4. Step 2. Open a trading account. To buy shares, you must open a trading account. What you usually need: valid ID, bank account, personal details. Once your account is approved, congratulations, you are officially an investor. Section 5. Step 3. Add money to your account. Stocks are not free. You need capital. Start small. You don't need millions. Many beginners think investing is only for the rich. That lie has kept people poor for years. Section 6. Step 4. Choose a company to buy. This is where most beginners make mistakes. Before buying, ask: is the company profitable? Is it popular? Does it have a future? Don't buy because of hype. Buy because of value. You're not buying numbers on a screen, you're buying a business. Section 7. Step 5. Place your first buy order. Once you've chosen a company, you click Buy. You decide how many shares, at what price. When your order is completed, you officially become a shareholder. Congratulations, you now own part of a company. Section 8. How do you make money from stocks? There are two main ways. 1. Price increase. Buy low, sell high. 2. Dividends. Some companies pay shareholders from their profits. This is called dividends. You can make money while sleeping. Section 9. Big mistakes beginners must avoid. Listen carefully, this can save you money. Investing money you need urgently. Following rumors. Panicking when prices fall. Trying to get rich overnight. The stock market rewards patience, not impatience. Every wealthy investor started as a beginner. The difference is, they started. You don't need to know everything. You just need to take the first step. If this video helped you, smash the like button. Subscribe for more money and investment videos. Comment below: I'm starting investing today. Your money should work for you, don't let it sleep forever.